Hello, this is Nevis here, and I'm just going to let my colleagues know how easy it is to get into a WizIQ classroom when you are having difficulty and no browser seems to work. One of the easiest things that Dr. Nelly has been mentioning is to go incognito. If you open up an incognito browser, then it's much easier to get into the classroom without any hassles. And some of you have been saying, how do we go incognito? Well, the easiest and simplest is to just click on the hamburger menu in the Chrome, and there it is, new incognito window. Click on it once and it will take us to this black incognito browser, and all you need to do is put the link in the browser search bar and it will take you directly to the WizIQ classroom without any problems. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for listening.